Today we will talk about type 2 diabetes and how to reverse it according to several scientific research papers published. Yes, there are now more than 100 research papers published across the world to actually demonstrate that through the right diet, lifestyles, you can actually reverse or manage type 2 diabetes naturally. And I will discuss with you these research reports, and then I will discuss with you the tools specifically of what diet to take, home remedies, Marma pressure points, lifestyle to follow, herbal formulas, and specific detox plans to remove the blockages. But first, why do we get type 2 diabetes? There are two reasons. In our pancreas, there are inlet cells which are producing insulin. And whenever we eat something, the food is digested, processed, and a nutritional plasma is created. And this nutritional plasma is then absorbed into the blood in the form of glucose. So every carbohydrate, sugar from the food that we eat is converted into glucose, which goes in the blood. And our body needs this glucose regularly so that we get energy. Every cells need the glucose to function effectively. So for that reason, as soon as the sugar comes in the blood, pancreas get a signal and insulin is secreted. This insulin then processes, or it is actually kind of working like a catalyst, signaling our cells to take this glucose. There are these glucose receptor antenna kind of things on every cells, and they absorb the glucose. Now what can go wrong in type 2 diabetes? First of all, these signals are not working. The cells are saying, oh, we are full, we don't need more glucose, we are full. And they don't take this glucose inside. They don't listen to the signal of insulin. And the second thing is happening where pancreas are producing insulin, or they are producing less insulin, but it's blocked. It's not secreted into the blood anymore, and it's not working for you as you need it. Both the reasons, according to scientific research and also Ayurvedic findings, wisdoms, which is given thousands of years ago, they have now found that there are these mucousy amyloid toxins, which is very sticky looking. There are slides published from autopsy or dissecting of dead bodies who had diabetes type 2 to see what's happening, and they found these amyloid toxins, which are mucousy, frothy, fermented looking toxins blocking the function of insulin. So if those toxins are going in pancreas, they block the insulin secretion. If they make the cells full of mucus, then the cells say we are very satisfied, very happy, we are not hungry, we don't need glucose. They are not taking or listening to the signals of insulin to take the glucose from the blood. And that way, finally the glucose becomes high in the blood, which wherever it goes, it damages the organs. If it goes too much glucose in kidney, can damage kidney, eyesight. It can block the arteries, create heart problems, create fatty liver, cholesterol, high blood pressure, or sometimes neurological damage that you get neuropathy and you get burning in the feet, numbness, and walking type of feeling. So these symptoms are connected with advanced damage from diabetes. But what can be the symptoms? So people who are just beginning to get diabetes, they can actually get lot of hunger pangs. They can get difficulty healing their wounds easily, can get rashes, skin problems, frequent urination urge, or sometimes lot of thirst. They want to keep drinking water, and there is suddenly some gain. It is a mild weight gain, but slight weight gain without any change in the diet or exercise pattern. So these are the signs that your metabolism is slowing down and you might be having pre-diabetic. So you should get to check your average blood sugar level, which is HbA1c. And if HbA1c is between 5.6 to 6.5 anywhere, is considered as pre-diabetic. And if it is more than that, it is considered already as diabetic. Now, what can you do to reverse this condition, even if you suffer from pre-diabetic or type 2 diabetes? Ayushakti's Diabetox program, which contains 3R formula, where you remove toxins First of all, because we spoke about the toxins in the pancreas, Ayurveda says kapha, pitta, mucus, when gets accumulated in pancreas, it blocks the function and causes high blood sugar levels in urine and blood. We call it madhumeha. So removing of toxin is the key. The second is restore pancreatic and metabolic function plus cellular uptake function so that insulin uptake is improved. The functioning of insulin improves naturally using the tools of diet, lifestyle, herbal formulas, home remedies and marma pressure points. And finally, renew and rebuild your metabolism so strong that naturally everything becomes normal and you can have balanced blood sugar levels naturally for years and years and years. Now I will discuss with you each and every tools that you can use it by yourself. But first I want to share with you, as I am very excited, that this double-blind study done on 3 groups where all of them were on anti-diabetic tablets, medication. One group was given placebo, no dietary restriction. The second group was given Ayushakti's 2 herbal formulas, Diabetox and Sugarade, along with that dietary restriction that I am going to discuss today. And the third group was actually given the full 3R formula, where we also did the detox with them, followed by diet, marma points, home remedies, herbal formulas, everything combined together for a year. So in 3 months' time, these 3 groups, the group A with placebo and prescription medication remained at 141 fasting blood sugar. Group second with herbal formula and dietary restriction went down to 130, and group 3, which was on full diabetics program with detox and every tools, went down to 114 fasting blood sugar in 3 months. I have just shared a chart here, you can have a look just to experience what is the possibility. This research was published in prestigious and peer-reviewed medical journal in America.